Move, Matthew.
Let's go backwards. Haley, don't. Wait.
You're not even standing up straight. You're having an hour.
Now you have to lift it when you move your foot
Lift
at the
it
same
with your
time.
hand. Lift
Yeah.
your hand and your foot at the same time.
Move the stuff.
I'm retarded.
Emily, move.
Wait. Yeah, I got this.
Please don't kill yourself, son.
No problem. Wait, you're leaning backwards.
Here.
Haley, don't look at my skivvies. You're better than that. Haley,
Whoa.
go backwards. You're going backwards, homie. Hey, wait.
You're going backwards. Haley, pull that right one forward, Haley.
What?
Pull the right stick forward. Whoa. Oh, he's gonna...
Pretty sure if Julie's gonna fall, pretty sure he jumped himself forward.
Okay. Shit.
Are you gonna lift your leg up?
Scared.
Yes, I got this.
Okay,
Yeah,
ready?
yeah.
Oh my God.
You sure?
Yes.
Matthew, get out of the way.
Leaning too far forward.
Stand up straight, Joe.
Okay, I
Your
got this.
legs are too far apart.
Oh God, please.
You're gonna... You're gonna...
Knee in the face.
You gotta go out of the way.